morning everyone, and welcome to another day of my life at college. So happy Friday. It is the Friday before spring breaks. So I'm sure that I'm gonna be the only one in all of my classes. Well, actually, 2 of my classes got canceled, so I just have my history class at 10 a.m. I did finish my history assignment. I want to show you it. I ran out of staplers, so I'm using tape to hold these 2 papers together, but basically this was just like a little mini essay response I had to write for history regarding 2 readings that I read, so I'm glad I finished that. But I wanted to use this morning to show you guys a very exciting package that I got in the mail yesterday, so I want to just film a little unboxing for y'all. I hope this angle's okay. I just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys. I just recently got a package from the brand Influencer, and I am partnering with Influencer on this video, so I wanted to say thank you guys so much for partnering with me. I don't work with companies that I'm not super excited about, so that's why I'm very excited to share this with you guys. So essentially, this is a digital website and also an app. It's a platform for you to discover so many products. It could be hair, beauty, health, skincare, more makeup stuff, fitness stuff, apparel. You can discover new products, you can make reviews of products that you like, you can read reviews of other people's products and figure out how to use it in tutorials and everything like that. And from doing that, you can make the most informed purchase. You are able to kind of have a community of people who are going to tell you the best products to get, and then in return you can talk about the products that you love using, and people will be able to use that as well. So they sent me a huge range of products to show you guys. The cool thing is I have a really exciting giveaway for you. So if you register to become a member of the app, which is in the description box of my video, and it's completely free, you can win all the products that I'm showing in this video. I'm just going to run through and give you guys a quick haul because they're perfect for me and perfect for spring break. So let's go. So the first thing is this wet brush. They don't break your hair if you brush your hair when it's wet. So this is a pink one. So the next thing I got is this Real Techniques beauty sponge, which I've always wanted to try the one from this brand. And I also got the Professional, which guys, I have always wanted to try the Professional primer from Benefit. So I finally get to try it. Next up, I have a Batiste dry shampoo travel size, which is perfect because I'm going home for spring break and I don't want to carry my huge bottle of dry shampoo. So I also got this, which is the Tarte Guard sunscreen lotion with SPF 30. The packaging of this is so cute. Next thing is the Fresh Sugar Rosé lip treatment, kind of lip color balm, and this I think I'm gonna be using so much. This is probably the thing I'm the most excited about for this video. It is the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. So it looks like this. Okay, so next up I have all of these Bite Beauty products. First up I have this Agave lip balm, which looks like this. I also have this Agave lip sugar scrub, which looks like this. Ooh, it also smells really good. And then I have 3 of the Bite lipsticks. Gazpacho, which is a beautiful bright red lipstick. I also have Licorice, which is a nice like berry red kind of color. Lastly, I have Honeycomb, which is this beautiful kind of like nude pink color. The next thing I have is this Baby Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. This is the La Roche, I cannot pronounce this. I'm pretty sure this is a French brand, but this is a double repair moisturizer. Next is a Melt Into Moisture Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask for your hair. Second to last thing that I got is this Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, and it looks like this. The last thing that I got and that you guys could possibly be getting if you enter the giveaway is the Marc Jacobs Iconic Eye Palette. This is so beautiful. So yeah, that is all of the beauty products I got, and then I also got this makeup bag that says Weapons of Choice. They also gave me this tote bag that is super cute as well. If you guys want to win everything that I just showed, definitely click the link down below and make an account. It takes like 5 seconds. It's completely free. And a cool part of being on this app is that they will send you periodically products like this, and in return you just share it on your social media or talk about the product that you got and write a review for it, and basically just kind of be a part of the community. So this is called a Vox Box, and so they'll send them out to y'all as well, and you can try out all of these products for free. You should definitely make an account and follow me. My username is Katie Horan. I'm about to head to school. I am going to try out this little Batiste dry shampoo just because I want to see how it smells, and I also forgot to wash my hair last night. That should work for me. Very refreshed. So I definitely forgot to show you guys my outfit of the day today, like I always do. So I'm wearing my Kings of Confetti National Championship shirt, and then I'm wearing these gray kind of blue leggings that I got from TJ Maxx, and my sneakers from Nike. There's really nobody here today. I feel like the Friday before spring break, like no one goes, but my teacher made an assignment due and you have to like hand it in person. So I was like, thank you for that. But I'm going to go inside. The building is just right there, so that's good. I don't have to walk very far. Class starts in 4 minutes, but I'm just gonna sit here until the very end. So after this class, I'm going to go to Bryant for lunch, and then I have a bunch of stuff I have to do this afternoon before I can go back home. So it's gonna be a really, really busy day. So I kind of chose to vlog on an extremely busy day.
If you want some love, just let me know.
Here at Bryant, I got a sweet tea to drink, and then I got a steak salad and beef stroganoff and noodles, and I'm freaking excited about it. Okay, so I'm back at my place and I am just putting a bag together. I really don't want to overpack this time just because obviously it's a whole week, but I hate when I overpack, so I think I'm just going to bring a couple of nice cute outfits, and then I'm going to bring a lot of just comfortable like leggings and t-shirts, and my sneakers are what I'm going to be wearing today in the car. And I think after I finish packing, I'm going to try and get a really quick workout in, just like a half an hour workout in. I'm supposed to leave in around 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours. So yeah, it's a lot of stuff I'm trying to squeeze in, but we're gonna pack. Well, I think this is probably the fastest I've ever packed. So I have my purse. This is the purse I'm taking with me. I have my suitcase with all of my clothes and shoes and toiletries and makeup. And then I'm using this cute tote from Influencer. I have my technology and all my chargers and things like that. Just kind of anything related to like tech or school is in there, and that's pretty much all I'm taking with me. I have to leave in like an hour and 20 minutes, so I'm going to do a quick workout. I need to get gas in my car, and then I'll be on the road, and it's about a 2-hour drive until where I'm meeting my parents for dinner, and then it's like another hour and a half until I get back to my house. I'm really glad that I got that little mini workout in, just because if you guys couldn't tell, I've been a little stressed today, just because it is a lot to like have classes in school and just like have to pack and get on the road pretty shortly after. I feel so much better though. I think just getting a little bit of that pent up energy out is really good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a very fast rinse. I don't really want to wash my makeup off, so I think I might just like wash my body and my hair. I've already whipped out my new wet brush that I got in my Vox box, and also this little deep conditioning treatment. So I'm going to use both of these today, and I will let you know how it goes. So I just got out of the shower, and I loved the deep conditioner. It kind of smelled like coconutty, I guess. It was a pale green, kind of like matcha tea color, so I thought that was really cool. But trying out my wet brush. I love the fact that I can brush my hair after I shower and not feel like I'm doing something wrong. I ended up washing my face really carefully because, I don't know, I just like the feel of a clean face. And I just strategically left my eye makeup on. I'm gonna shake my hair out real quick. Okay, Gotta spritz a little bit of perfume always. Or a lot, that's fine too. And you cannot forget your armpit juice. That's what Gavin calls it anyway. This is a real get ready with me, you guys. I have like 10 minutes to spare. I have all my bags packed. I'm ready to head out. Let's do this thing. It's 2 o'clock exactly. It's about a 2-hour drive, as I said, to Oxford, which is where I'm meeting my parents, and then we have like an 1.5-hour drive back home. They just wanted to meet up because they're honestly sketched about me driving in Atlanta during traffic hours. So yeah, that's what we're doing. But very excited to see them. I'm looking forward to it a lot. I'm gonna play some great tunes and I'm just gonna have a little road trip. So I guess I'll update you guys as soon as I'm not driving. Made it officially to Oxford. My parents are over there. They're very excited to see me. I think we're gonna walk around and maybe shop for a bit just because it's like only 3:55 and we're not eating until maybe like 5 or maybe 4:30. I don't know, I'm kind of hungry. They're not really hungry, but I think we'll do that and then we'll be driving back to ATL. So we just finished at the Olive Garden. It's currently 5:40 and we are gonna finish the 1.5 hours or so that we have left. And I just wanted to say that I'm obsessed with this lip balm because I ran out of my other clear lip balm, and this one is just so much better because it just makes my face just have a little bit of color, which I really like. So yeah, if you guys want to check this out, this is the Fresh Sugar Rosé little lip tint slash lip balm. Hey guys, so I've finally made it back to my house and my room, and I'm on my bed right now, and it's very cozy. I just wanted to show you guys the clothes that I got today while shopping because I didn't have time to show them earlier, but I wanted to show them now. And I also wanted to show you this really cute gift that my aunt got me for study abroad. So she got me this notebook that says My Travels on it, and it's so cute. It just has like the cutest illustrations in it. And all of like the little journal entry pages have the cutest little borders and everything. So I know that I'm going to be using this. It's just the sweetest gift. My mom also got me my favorite lotion. So I'm very happy about all of this. And I'm going to show you guys my workout clothes. So I got these 2 very nice fitted workout tank tops. This one has a built-in bra, which I think is super cool. And this one's just like a very pretty kind of like medium toned blue, so I'm very happy about these. And lastly, I have these 2 pairs of high-waisted cropped leggings, and they are so soft, and they literally both fit so perfectly. And so one is this kind of like light baby blue color, and then I have just a classic black one. And lastly, I have this really cute little black workout jacket, just because I don't have one like this, and I think that it is really cute. And I'm so excited because tonight I'm gonna have a total pampering myself night, just because the drive was very long. So I just want to relax and get ready for bed. So I'm going to be trying out this little Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer, and then I'm going to be using this water sleeping mask, and I'm also going to be using this, which is the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Scrub. I'm just going to relax and get ready for bed. So I'm going to update you guys on my opinions of the products after I take a shower, but I did want to remind you again, if you want to win all of the products that I showed that were in my box, then definitely make an account on Influencer. I'm going to update you after my shower. I'm going to just relax and go to sleep, but I wanted to close off the vlog here and say thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you liked it, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.